Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. So what are we working on? Right here, new straps. So let me show you how we're going to fit those and how we're going to cut them. We're going to use a hot knife so they don't fray. We're going to make them custom for our boat so we don't have that long tail. It attracts police and everything else. So like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss it. All right, packed really nice. Thing is, these are really nice straps. Let's go fit one. You want to hang your strap somewhere, figure out which way you want it. Your hook. So yeah, it's going to hit there. We don't want to do that. What happens if you put it this way? The hook doesn't go in the hole. So we're going to have to get some loops to put in here. That's all right. And we'll go get those loops and we'll be back. All right, well, we went and got these clips. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's one of those ones, so we got a bigger hole here. And you can tighten these up, and you put a wrench on here. You tighten it a little tighter, so it doesn't come loose on you. Vibrate loose. There you go. Tighten up. All right. Let's get the strap. Then you got this piece goes through here. See? And now it'll go up this way. And that's probably pretty good right there because it's past the trim tab. I don't know what it looks like if you hang it the other way. Does it hit the trim tab? Yes. All right. So the ratchet goes on the bottom. This goes on the top. And what you do, pull this up, gonna pull this strap through. Twisted like that, you can untwist it. You can see we got to put it through the other way. 50-50 shot at that. You can see that we got that like that. You can pop this loose, fold this, pull this pretty close to tight, and start rasping it. And then you can see that's about right. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this here, leaving it a little long. All right. Going to cut that with our hot knife. So let's go get our hot knife and I'll show you how that works. So you pull this snug, you turn on the hot knife, and you just kind of come through here. If you're a little worried about the end, you can come on here and touch it a little. There it is. That's all there is to it. Now we don't have an ugly thing going down the highway. Cops won't pull us over. We ain't got a lot of this streaming behind us. That's all there is to it. That's how you make straps for your boat for reasonable instead of buying expensive boat ones. So like and subscribe. Don't miss any of these quick how-tos. I mean, we got it here, man. This boat's going to the marina soon, and they're going to do bellows service on it, put new bellows in it and what have you, because the drive's heavy. I don't want to do that myself. Really helps to have a buddy do it with you. So like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Enjoy.